Updating your payout destination on Spotify is essential for ensuring you receive your earnings correctly. Follow these steps to make the necessary changes. Step 1. Log into your Spotify account. Go to the Spotify for Artists website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account associated with your payouts. Step 2. Navigate to Payout Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings or Payout section in your account dashboard. This is where you can manage your financial information. Step 3. Select Update Payout Destination. In the Payout settings, look for the option to update your payout destination. Click on this option to proceed to the next step. Step 4. Enter new payment information. Fill in the required fields with your new payout destination details. This may include bank account information or payment service details, depending on your preference. Step 5. Save changes. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Make sure to check your email for any confirmation regarding the updates. Keeping your payout information current is crucial for receiving your earnings without delays.